Hi there. We have discussed the orientation in monosubstituted benzene ring. In our previous video, we discussed first the electrophilic substitution mechanism containing two steps, the forming of Ce bond in the first step and the breaking of CH bond in the second step, and how we have two types of host groups for monosubstituted benzene to send the incoming electrophile to either orthopara positions if it is a electron releasing donating group OP director, or to the meta position if it is EWG, a meta director. We discussed also towards the end that halo group chlorobromofluoroiodo, they are OP directors because they have lone pairs, but they are deactivators. That is the only difference we find from all other electron donating groups, which are not only OP directors but also activators. In this video, we shall know what do we mean by activating activators, deactivators for SEAR. That is called the reactivity in SEAR. And also we shall see the orientation in this one, the orientation in the disubstituted benzene ring to give a trisubstituted compound. We had seen the orientation in monosubstituted benzene to give disubstituted. Here towards the end we shall talk about the orientation in disubstituted benzene to form trisubstituted benzene. Let's start. What do we mean by reactivity? Monosubstituted benzene can either react faster than benzene or slower than benzene, depending on which host group is present. If the host group is an activator, then the reaction becomes faster. If it is a deactivator, the reaction becomes slower. This is called reactivity of AC reactions in aromatic compounds. Now, first let us take off what is the meaning of activation in SEAR. All EDG groups which are also OP directors, all electron donating groups which are also OP directors are activators except halo group. The rate of AC reaction increases due to their presence as host groups compared to unsubstituted benzene. This is due to increase in the electron density in the ring, particularly or more preferably in the orthopara positions. The exception is halo group chlorobromofluoroiodo, which are unfortunately they are deactivators but OP directors. We shall know about the reason. Now I am giving you a concrete example. For example, benzene reacts with any electrophile to give you monosubstituted benzene, and a monosubstituted benzene like phenol, where OH group is a EDG, is a OP director, reacts with the same electrophile to give you OP products, mixture of ortho and para products. If the rate of reaction for unsubstituted benzene is K1, rate constant, and for this it is K2, then K2 is many thousand times greater, many thousand times greater than the rate of Se for unsubstituted benzene, because the presence of this host group activates the benzene ring. You already know how the resonance structures will tell you there is a minus delta charge in both the ortho and para position. So they are not only ortho-para directors, but also the electrophile attacks the benzene ring at a faster rate than benzene itself. I give you a concrete example. Toluene, methyl is also electron releasing group by plus I effect. That reacts with a nitration reaction to give you ortho-para product. Ortho is little greater because the two groups are not bulkier. I don't feel sad if you find different data. The same reaction I gave 62, 30 something in some other previous video. I borrowed from some source, and in some other source I am finding the data is little different. But the preponderance of ortho is the norm in this particular compound. Ortho is greater than para, and there is a small amount of meta we ignore for OP directors. We don't write. Now if this reactivity, the rate constant is K1, unsubstituted benzene is K2, then K1 by K2 has been measured to be 24, around 24. Means toluene reacts with the nitration reaction 24 times faster than benzene, giving you nitrobenzene, toluene giving you a mixture of ortho and para nitrotoluenes. Because this is an electron donating group, it activates the ring, it enhances the electron density of the ring so that electrophile attacks at a faster rate. Now let us list out which are strong activators, which are moderately strong, and which are weak activators. These are all activators. Their presence enhances the rate of SEAR compared to benzene. The most strong activators are oxido-ion, alkyl, this amino, tertiary amino, secondary amino, primary amino, hydroxy, alkoxy. These are strong activators. All are plus M groups and OP directors. Moderately strong activators, NHCOCH3, OCOCH3, and weak activators, alkyl, all alkyl, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Then phenyl is also not only OP director but also activator, enhances. So also vinyl, and this is carboxylate ion and fluoro. Here I have written in a bracket inside parenthesis to indicate fluoro is activating only at the para position, although the overall activity is deactivation. We shall talk about that later for fluoro. But it enhances the electron density at the para position, but reduces the electron density in the ortho and meta position more than what it increases in the para position. The increase in electron density at the para position is due to plus M effect of small fluorine atom, a resonance effect, plus M. And due to its highest electronegativity, it reduces electron density from the nearest ortho and meta position. So the net effect is minus I, predominant minus I, for which it deactivates the benzene ring in an overall basis. The rate of reaction is slow. But it is predominantly a para director. Important. Phenyl group is OP director and an activator because the OP attack involves 3 degree carbocation as one of the RS. Right? I am showing you that in biphenyl, if you make a para or ortho, same, you will find to draw the resonance structure, there are so many resonance structures, both the rings are involved, and out of them, one will be a 3-degree carbocation is extremely stable. Such a 3-degree carbocation won't appear in the meta attack. It will be bypassed and positive charge will not come here. So orthopara attack is more probable than meta attack in biphenyl. So phenyl produces a electron donating effect. Well, here I showed in the reverse way the stability of the rhenium ion, but I can show in the first type, but in this case the first type is not shown because both are same ring. No one has a greater electronegativity, same. Therefore, it is always better to talk about this stability of rhenium carbocation, which is more for orthopara attack. And it is also a mild activator. So also vinyl carboxylate. I talked about fluoro. It only activates at the para position. The overall is deactivation. Now I have borrowed this table from Google source. Thanks to Google, these are all OP directors. These, they have a minus I effect but predominant plus M effect due to small size of nitrogen and oxygen. Sulfur has only plus M because electronegativity is small. Phenyl has a minus I as well as plus M, but plus M dominates. So that's why it is a mild activator. The activator we have kept in the list and also on OP director. Fluoro group is predominantly a para-activating, para-directing. It is para-directing, not activating. You can call it para-activating, but overall it is deactivation. Rate is slowed down. So it is predominantly a para-director. It has both plus M and minus I. The overall effect is minus I. But there is plus M effect at the para position. Now I showed you the relative rates of attack. Benzene, on substituted benzene, the rate is 1 at all the carbon atoms. And there is a substituted benzene, toluene. Here the ortho, the relative rates are 43:45, 55. And meta is negligible. I told you there is some meta, but we ignore. So if you add all these 43, 43, 55, 3, 3 and divide by how many? 5 carbon atoms, 5 positions. So the overall rate is 24.5 times. Don't worry, I have told you 24 there in some slide and here it is 24.5. Don't worry because the data sources are different. So, but the values are very close. So toluene reacts in overall basis 24.45 times greater than benzene. Of course, if you take the net effect of both the ortho, this is nitration process. You have to also look to the bulk, to the steric effect of the incoming electrophile that it will produce with the existing host group methyl. So 43, this ortho has a greater probability than the total probability of ortho is more than para. And if it is bulkier, then ortho probability is lowered because of steric hindrance. Para probability becomes more, but overall reactivity has come down from 24.5 to 16.5. Still it is OP director, predominantly para. Ortho is hindered position. But if it is chloro, then the overall, it is a OP director, meta attack is almost zero, and there is some ortho but maximum para. Para is greater than ortho because of steric. Chlorine is a relatively larger size, not as bulky as bromo or iodo, but it is appreciably large. So ortho attack is less probable than para, but it is less than 1. So the net effect, if you add all these and divide by 5, you will find the net activity is 30 times less. If it is 1, it is 0.033. So chlorobenzene reacts slower than benzene in nitration reaction and in all electrophilic substitution reactions. Again, this is an electron withdrawing group, which is a meta director, and this is a OP director. It is the electron donating group, but it is predominantly a minus I group. Now this is an electron withdrawing group, not a donating, electron withdrawing group, and therefore the meta is relatively more, but because it is electron withdrawing, the overall reactivity is still less, 0.004. This is 1. And relatively meta is 8 times more than ortho and para. 4 times more than ortho and 8 times more than para. So the meta is the dominant product, but the rate is much slower. I gave you another thing to compare. This is benzene, supposing it is 1, the baseline for comparison. This is an activator. All electron donating groups excepting halo group is an activator. The rate is here 24.5, there it was 24, and now it is giving, these are all copy pasted things, don't worry, 23 times faster. And if it is CF3, a strong minus I group, electron withdrawing group, the rate is so slow compared to benzene. It is 10 to the power 5 times slower. 10 to the minus 5 is the relative rate compared to benzene. It's a deactivator. So we already know activators are all electron donating groups except halo. Halo is nowhere here. Halo group is nowhere in this. Fluoro is activating at the para position, but the overall activity is deactivation. Now, coming to deactivation, all EWG minus M and minus I groups are deactivating. In nature, AC reactions takes place at a slower rate compared to benzene, as the electron density in the ring is decreased due to their presence. And we have 3 grades of deactivators. Strong deactivators, the ammonium salts, dash, NH3, these are groups. I must put a dash sign. These are groups bonded to the benzene ring. NH3 plus, NH2R plus, NR3 plus, NO2, CF3, CN, SO3H, SO2R, these are strong deactivators. The rate is slowed down to a horrible extent. But moderately strong are the aldehyde, acid halide, ketone, carboxylic acid, ester, amide, substituted amide, CCl3. These are moderately strong deactivators. And weak deactivators are the halo group and NO, nitroso. Out of the halo, chloro-bromo are the strongest deactivator. More deactivators than iodo and fluoro, because fluoro is a combination of dominant plus M and minus I effect. So the least deactivation is done by fluoro. I will give you the rate. Fluoro is a deactivator at the ortho meta positions, but the overall it is a deactivator, but it activates the para position. Therefore, The orientation of fluoro is predominantly para. Now look to this data. Nitrobenzene, this is electron withdrawing group, a meta director. So the product is meta. I told you all these are meta directors. All these are meta directors. All these are, let's write down, I have not written anywhere. All these are it is obvious all electron withdrawing groups are meta directors. So all meta directors are also deactivators. All OP directors are not all activators. Yes, all OP directors are also activators except halo group. Now let's see in nitrobenzene the rate of nitration. Nitro is further nitrated to give you meta-dinitrobenzene. Because it is a meta director, it gives predominant meta product. We don't write orthopara because I am making a video, I am giving you the data, but in your examination you don't write this. You understand, right? So, and if it is only benzene, then you get nitrobenzene. The K1 by K2 ratio is so small, 10 to the power minus 7. Can you imagine to what extent nitro group has deactivated the ring so that the new electrophile is attacking at a rate which is 10 to the power 7 times slower than what it is attacking to only benzene. Therefore, this NO2, CN, CF3, they come under strong deactivating groups category. Now, what is the unique feature of fluoro group? I have already told you. Due to small size and highest electronegativity, plus M and minus I, both are pronounced. Therefore, fluoro group activates the ring at the para position due to pronounced plus M effect, while it deactivates at the ortho and meta positions due to dominant minus I effect. The overall effect of fluoro group is deactivating for SCAR, but it is para-selective, not ortho. Ortho is highly deactivated by minus I effect. So it is para-selective, but overall deactivator. So I have copied from the Google source to show you all the meta directors which are deactivators. Fluoro group is overall deactivating, but it is deactivating predominantly in the ortho meta position. Para it is activating, but overall deactivating. And other groups like chlorobromoiodo, they are orthopara directors but deactivators. So also nitro, so having a lone pair. It is an orthopara director, but because of the greater dominance of minus I effect, they are deactivators. Now, coming to chlorobromoiodofluoro, how to explain the mutually contradictory behavior that on one hand they are OP directors because they have lone pair, and on the other hand they are deactivators, they slow down the process. Now we can explain this in the way I am showing you. Due to dominant minus I effect over plus M effect, halo groups are deactivators for SEAR and slows down the reaction. But these groups are OP directors. This is because the uranium cation due to OP attack results an additional RS. We had already discussed that for other small sized plus M groups like OH, like NS2, like OR and all that. An additional RS due to the presence of positive charge adjacent to the lone pair on halogen atom. This is a kind of p-pi back bonding or a small plus M effect because their sizes are large excepting fluorine. The M effect, plus M effect is small, but yes, there is some plus M effect which is not being good enough to deactivate the ring it is stabilizing the intermediate rhenium carbocation. So this is a kind of p-pi back bonding or a small plus M effect of halo group operating outside the ring, which does not affect the overall dominance of minus I effect onto the ring or its deactivating nature. No such stable RS for rhenium ion exists due to meta attack, because the positive charge will be bypassed. Now fluorobenzene is para-selective, and if benzene is 1, then fluorobenzene is 0.18 times, little less, and iodobenzene is little more less, and chlorobenzene and fluorobromobenzene, they are more or less the similar reactivity. They are slowest among the halo group because they have moderately high electronegativity, not very high like fluorine, and also their sizes are moderate, large but not as high as iodine. That makes the reactivity slowest. Remember, fluoro, then fluoro, then iodo, then chloro equal to bromo. All of them react slower than benzene. Now I have shown you here the ortho attack and para attack in the similar way we had seen before, that in say ortho attack you get a RS where positive charge is next to halogen and you have another contributor, though small contribution it may be, because this is a large size atom, the p-pi back bonding or this contribution, this double bond formation is not as high as for OH, for NH2 and other small groups, small atoms like O and N. Para attack, the same way you find a positive charge next to halogen. So that is a stabilizing this extra RS, though small contribution, but it is stabilizing the ortho-para attack. But in meta attack, you don't find such a stabilizing carbocation. But I told you, since the net effect of plus M and minus I is minus I, it is slowing down the reactivity. But coming to attack by the electrophile, ortho and para attack are more likely probable, as there is an electron releasing lone pair, to stabilize the carbocation, the rhenium ion. Now in a nutshell, the halo groups are orthopara directors because of their electron donating nature, though the resonance is less on the periphery outside, not entering inside, and are deactivators due to predominant minus I effect. Now I am giving you a data for comparison. So a chlorobenzene, you are carrying out nitration to give you a mixture of ortho and para. Since chloro is not a very small group, the para is dominant, 68-30, but the rate 22% we neglect. But if it is benzene, the rate constant is K2, you get only one compound, nitrobenzene, and K1 by K2 is 0.033. Chlorobenzene reacts nearly 30 times slower than benzene because it is a deactivator, but it is an OP director. The OP director capability is explained from the stability of the rhenium carbocation due to electron release in the periphery outside the ring. Now, here I'll tell you how steric effect influences the percentage of ortho product. If it is toluene, the group is methyl, then 58% is ortho and 37 para. But if it is ethyl, it is reduced. Now there is a dominance of para. In ortho, it is slight dominance of ortho, and in ethyl benzene, it is dominance of para. If it is isopropyl benzene, I'm so sorry. If it is isopropyl benzene, yes, if it is isopropyl benzene, then ortho product is only 30%, para is 62. If it is third butyl benzene, then only 16% ortho and 73% para. Forget about meta. And ortho-para ratio is maximum in toluene. As the bulk of the host group increases, the ortho-para ratio decreases. Now, I will take this opportunity to talk about ipso substitution. Of course, in your level, school level, ipso substitution will not be required that much. But yes, you will be happy to learn about it. What is ipso substitution? Now, if this is a host group, then the carbon number 1 bonded to the host group is called the ipso carbon. And the carbon number 2 and 6 ortho. Carbon number 3 and 5 meta. Carbon number 4 is para. So if the electrophile attacks at the ipso carbon, not to the ortho, meta or para, as we discussed before for a monosubstituted benzene, if it attacks at the ipso carbon where the host group is already existing, and fortunately if the leaving group is the host group as Z plus, electrophilic substitution also happens. Instead of H plus, Z plus will go, and that is called ipso substitution. Here the degree of substitution will remain the same. This was monosubstituted and the new electrophile will be substituting Z, and again it will be monosubstituted. But if it is disubstituted, already disubstituted, then it will remain as disubstituted. One group will go, the other group will come. H plus is not going. One of the host groups is going as a positive ion in electrophilic substitution. Got it? Now let me read out. In some cases, the electrophile attacks at C1 carbon bearing the host substituent instead of attacking ortho, meta or para. In some cases, out of them, in some cases the host group becomes the leaving group as Z plus in place of H plus. In such cases, the degree of substitution remains the same. Monosubstituted remains as monosubstituted. The only difference, Z is no longer there, E has replaced it. In some other cases, there is a rearrangement of carbocation that occurs to form substituted product with a greater degree of substitution. For example, it attacks here, carbocation is formed here, then what happens? The group Z or E migrates, or Z migrates from this to this. Is a 1-2 shift occurs, so that it is a tri-substituted product. So about this we will not discuss at all. We will only take some examples where ipso substitution will result the removal of the host group as a positive ion. See this case. This is para isopropyl toluene, or 1-methyl 4-isopropyl, or 1-isopropyl 4-methyl benzene. And here the electrophile is nitronium ion, nitronium acetate. For example, you are taking, and this is nitronium ion is the hero. And as expected, since this is a OP director, you will get a mixture of ortho to this and ortho to this. Since it is a bulky group, the product ortho to isopropyl is only 8% because of steric hindrance, and ortho to methyl is 82%. But why this product is formed and how this product is formed? Where isopropyl group is absent and in its place nitro group has come. This is 10%. So this is ipso substitution. In 10% of the molecules, the nitro group attacks here, not the ortho, this ortho or that ortho. Attacks here, and ultimately in place of H plus, there is no H. In place of H plus, a stable isopropyl carbocation goes. I have shown you the ipso attack. The ipso attack here, in the ipso carbonate attacks, the nitro group attacks, and plus charge is here, and you draw two more RS. We are not interested now. Then in the second step, this isopropyl carbocation goes as the leaving group and aromatization happens. So now nitro occupies the place of isopropyl. So the formation of 10% of this product is a clear evidence that ipso substitution is happening. Similarly, if there is a sulfonic acid group, that also is very prone to ipso substitution. When this is 4-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid is treated with bromine water, this sulfonic acid group leaves and bromine takes its place. And as well, the other two ortho positions with respect to OH are also substituted. Here, the two positions, the leaving group is H plus as usual, because OH group is a highly activating group. So if it is bromine water, as you will know later in the chemistry of phenols, that all the three positions are simultaneously substituted so fast. Now, but here there was no hydrogen, it was sulfonic acid. Even then that was also displaced. Now, this is what is ipso substitution. I am showing here the ipso substitution occurs, the bromonium ion attacks at the ipso carbon with respect to SO3H, and we forget about writing the other RSS. Then here the group that leaves is SO3H plus. SO3H plus leaves and aromatization happens. So one bromine takes the place of SO3H group, and the other two bromines naturally comes because these are the active positions, and OH group is a highly activating group. Another example, that a sulfonic benzene sulfonic acid is easily substituted by hydrogen just by boiling with water at 200 or 300 degree. What happens? Here this is ipso substitution where H plus ion from water acts as the electrophile. Here water acts as an electrophile to provide H plus ion, so that it is ipso attack of H plus here. And in the next step, SO3H plus goes to bring about aromatization to give you this benzene. Similarly, carboxylic acid group often is decarboxylated by ipso attack. For example, this is salicylic acid, orthohydroxybenzoic acid. When you nitrate this compound, yes, OH group is a strong activator. At a time, all the three positions should have been blocked had it been phenol only. But even there is a carboxylic acid group at one of the ortho position, that also goes. How it goes? These two goes, H plus ion goes. But here the carboxylic acid group goes. Let me show you how it goes. This is ipso attack to this carbon, and plus charge is here. And now H plus ion goes here, and here there is a neutral carbon dioxide molecule goes, as well as H plus ion goes along with both H plus and CO2 goes, so that aromatization happens. Nitro remains as a replacement of carboxylic acid. And then the other two positions, one ortho and one para, they are easily substituted by the nitro group. Here same thing happens with bromo. The carboxylic acid group goes as CO2 and H plus in the ipso attack by one bromonium ion, and other two bromonium ion expel hydrogen ion. But here it expels H plus as well as CO2. The whole carboxylic acid group goes. This is ipso attack. Now I close this session. I would like to make another session for the orientation in disubstituted compound, to give you tri-substituted compound. And in that video, after that video, the study material, you will find a lot of questions, practice questions for you to answer. monosubstituted benzene, and this is the electrophile, what will be the product? This is the disubstituted benzene, this is the electrophile, what will be the more probable product? Major, minor, and what else? So about this we will discuss in another short video. I would like to continue now and take a break. Bye bye.